it's me, Ruby. If you couldn't tell by the title, I am doing slime pet peeves. I'm doing 10 slime pet peeves. But before I get started, I have 2 shout outs. I didn't know the beginning of every single week, in every single video, I'll pick 2 people from the comments who say you can have a shout out. And I have, if you don't know their name, if you don't type your name, then I'll just do like your YouTube name. So the first shout out is Amber Doodle. So yeah, go follow, go subscribe to her channel. I'll leave that in the link in the description box down below. Also, I'll be putting my Instagram and my music video account in the description box down below. So yeah. And also, next shout out is, I don't even know who the person is.
My mum, because she's so totally cool.
No, my mum's not cool at all. And the other shout out is
my mama, love her so much.
Is to, I haven't done another one because I can't find it. No, I commented everyone. Only like about 5 people commented on the morning. I don't really get a lot of videos, comments. So let's just get on with the video.
Morning, I made a picture for you.
Let's go. So my first pet peeve is when you like say this slime is so stretchy. That's like really rippy. Mine's not actually really rippy, mine's actually really stretchy. But it's only when like you rip it, so here we go. You try to rip it. So let's get onto that one. Oh my god, the slime is so stretchy. It's like so stretchy, and listen to how clicky it is. It's so clicky and stretchy, and it doesn't make any mess on my skin and my face. Okay, I'll just random bit. So the next one, I'm just writing down how many I've done so I keep track. Number 2, that's 4. Number 2 is when you're playing with your slime and then you got all like other slimes on your hand and like, oh sorry about that. So thumbs up. No, I love playing with my slime. That's so not sticky. That's just so sticky. I'm going to put it away. Oh, I don't want to put it away. Okay, I just added a little bit in because that's also the part that I didn't say it. Next, number 3. 6 again. Number 3 is when you colour your slime like when you say like, oh my god, colouring the slime with a Sharpie and poke. When you poke your slime with like a random object. Like I'm poking mine with a pen, it's just random. And you're like, oh my god, it's like so viral. Just gone to that. Do you like this? I'm just poking my fingers. So guys, that was part 1, because I did say I was going to do. Didn't know if I said it. I'm going to do, I'm doing 3 in this video. There's going to be 3 parts. That's going to be like a part at the end. And the part 3 is going to be when I do 4 slimes. It's going to be ages. Because I'm making slime shit, because that was a challenge I done on Instagram poll. So go to follow me on Instagram. That'll be in the description box down below. But if you don't know my description box, I'll give it to you right now. So if it's not up here, like right there, then I'm going to tell you it right now. It is Ruby, capital letter, no space, blue, _ unicorn. So yeah, see you later guys, love you.